All is well. Welcome back to computer class. This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. In the previous video, you have studied about header and footer feature of Microsoft Word. Now, today I will explain you one more effective feature, that is creating table in Microsoft Word that help in presenting information in the systematic and organized manner. So, let's start. So, what's a table? A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Vertical part of the table is called columns and the horizontal part of the table is called rows. And intersection of rows and columns form a cell. It means each individual rectangle in the table is called cells. Data in the form of text or graphics can be entered inside the cell. You can use table in the Microsoft Word to present information in the systematic and organized manner. Let us learn about creating table in Microsoft Word. So first you have to open Microsoft Word. In the class 5th you have already learned about how can we open Microsoft Word. Then place the insertion point in the document where you want the table to appear. Then follow the given steps. First step is click on the insert tab. So click on the insert tab. Then second step is click on the table option. When you click on the table option, a drop down menu with various options will display. You can see that in the diagram. Now third step is click on the insert table. Click on the insert table. When you click on insert table, then insert table dialog box will display. This is insert table dialog box. Now fourth step is specify the number of rows and number of columns. So this is fourth step, specify the number of rows and number of columns. Here I am taking 5 columns and 3 rows. Then fifth step is click on the OK button. When you click on the OK button, then the table with the specific number of columns and number of rows is inserted in the document. You can see that in the diagram. Table with 5 columns and 3 rows. So this is very simple step to creating table in Microsoft Word. To entering data in a table, place the insertion point in any cell and start typing. To move between the cell in a table, you can use arrow keys, mouse pointer or the tab key. The tab key takes the cursor to the next cell and the combination of shift plus tab key takes the cursor to the previous cell. Now we will learn how can we add a new row in the table. You can add a new row in your table anytime according to your requirement. To add a new row in the table, follow the given steps. Now you can see that there are 3 rows in the table. Now I want to add one more row just below side the second row. So follow the given steps. First step is click in a cell above or below where you want to add a new row. So click any cell in the second row. Now second step is click on the layout tab. So you have to click on the layout tab. Third step is to add a row above the cell, click insert above in the row and column group, and to add a row below the cell, click insert below in the row and column group. So here we are choosing insert below option because I want new row just below the second row. Then you can see that a new row get inserted in the table. This is newly added row just below the second row. So very simple step. Once again I am repeating. Place the cursor in a cell where you want to add a new row, then click on the layout tab, then click on the insert below option where in the row and column group, then new row will be inserted. Let's see how can we add new column in the table. So here you can see that there are two columns in the table. Now I want to add one more column just right side of the second column. So to add a new column in the table, you can follow the given steps. First step is click in a cell to the left or right of where you want to add new column. So click anywhere in the second column because I want to add new column just the right side of the second column. Now second step is click on the layout tab. So click on the layout tab. Third step is click on the insert left or insert right in the row and column group. To add a new column to the left of the cell, click on the insert left in the row and column group, and to add a column right of the cell, click on the insert right in the row and column group. Now here I want to add new column just right side of the second column, so click on the insert right. When you click insert right, then new column get inserted. You can see that in the diagram. This is new column just right side of my second column. So this is very simple step to add a new column in a table. After knowing the process of how can we add new row or column in the table, now we will learn how can we deleting rows or column from the table. So to delete a row or column from the table, follow the given steps. First step is place the cursor in the row or column to be deleted. For example, in this table I want to delete last row. So place the cursor in the last row. Now second step is click on the layout tab. Okay, second step is click on the layout tab. Now third step is click on the delete option. So when you click on the delete option, a list of options appears. You can see that in the diagram. Now click the delete row or delete column option to delete a row or column. If you want to delete any row, then click on the delete row option, and if you want to delete any column, then click on the delete column option. Now in this example I want to delete last row, so click on the delete row option. Then row will be removed from your table. You can see that last row will remove. So this is very simple step to deleting row or column from the table. So dear students, I hope you have understood the concept of what is table, how can we create table in Microsoft Word, and how can we add row and column in the table, how can we delete row and column in the table. In the next video I will explain you merging, splitting and resizing a cell in the table.